Oxford 821 here. We got Jim home on leave from the Marines. He's here for a week, so we're playing around this weekend, and today we're going to do some shooting. As you can see here, we got our metal targets. We got some shotguns. We're going to shoot some clay targets. We got pistols. We got assault rifles. We're going to burn through some ammo here, but stay tuned. It'll probably be fun. All right, this is phase 1 of Operation Expend All Ammo, and Jim's going to shoot the shotgun. That's some clay targets we got. I'm going to be the thrower. Where the heck are they at? Right there. I'm going to throw some singles, some doubles, and see if he can hit anything. It's been a while since he's shot. He's been going for 3 years. So I'm going to throw some low ones, some high ones, some fast ones, and see if we can get some shots on video. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready on the left, ready on the right. Shooters, watch your lanes.
Got two left.
That's all?
In that box.
All right, ready?
Boom.
Wow.
Yeah.
He still got it. 3 years later. 3 years later. Yeah, he's still hitting targets. It's like,
I guess
it's like riding a bike.
yeah.
But we've been going easy on him. Now we're going to put some pepper on it. We're going to put some pepper on it now. This red one, this thing's like 30 years old, this handle. And I can whip them with this one. This orange one, it's harder for me to grab. But this red one, we're going to save that for the second shot. Alright, here we go. Oh, I threw it so hard.
I was gonna shoot that little.
It might have been cracked. That's a redo.
I got one.
Delete. Delete that. We'll start over.
Here, throw me.
Take 2. I don't even know.
Let me give the read.
I don't even know what you would call that bird. I don't know any bird that would go woo right through the tree. Put the gun down. Pick the gun up. And then shoot that last one. Are you ready? That's a Benelli right there.
Send them.
Oh, you got it. That was good because that was right and left.
All the way left.
All
Yeah,
right.
I was like, I can get it.
Ready? Yeah. You know what? They're the easiest ones because it goes like this. Woo!
And they just sit there.
It sits there and then...
Done now. You might have hit that branch.
Bugs everywhere.
Oh. Just shot my last one.
Oh, shit. Perfect. We'll keep that one for the video. Is that a hit or a branch?
I don't know.
A little bit of orange came off of it.
Hey, that's the Super Vinci.
Super Black Eagle 2.
Oh.
All right, phase 1 is complete. We shot the shotguns. We need some more practice on that. And now we're going to shoot some pistols and that 9mm carbine. That 9mm carbine is the Thureon Defense in 9mm. And I got my Glock on me here. And that's a Glock 26. And the magazines from the Glock 26 fit into the carbine now, so that's why we bought it. And I talked about that in one of my other videos. But we set up the steel target. We're gonna back the truck up. And what kind of magazines do we got? We've got a 50 round drum. You put that in and you put that carbine on that bipod, you can really lay down some suppressive fire. So that's pretty neat. And I think inside here we have some 30 rounders. Yeah, some 30 round mags. So you can go from the little 10, this little 10 round magazine from the gun, you could swap them in this gun. You can put that 50 round inside that pistol. So you can see that. So you can shoot a Glock with a 50 round drum, and that's loaded. And everything can go interchangeable, but we'll show some of that shooting when we get set up here.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Glock. Let's go.
That's probably, we're pretty close. I don't know, maybe 12 yards. 12 yards, and he's got a Glock 26. He's going to shoot ammo, and on the last round, the slide will stay back, and he's going to try to do a tactical reload. So grab with your left hand, slap in the 30 magazine, lock and load, and keep shooting. Just some fun. We're not going for accuracy or speed or doing any kind of competition. We're just going to have some fun. So, all right, you ready?
Yep.
Let me move up so I don't have ears on. All right.
All right, you ready?
All right, hold on. Cut.
So, he's coming in.
Clear?
Clear.
Clear.
That was quick. They're tiny.
Yeah, so this is, maybe we all seen my other videos, but this is the little Remington 380. And if you look at that little gun, Cabela's has them on sale right now. You get a $50 rebate, and then I think another $100 rebate. I think you can get that gun right there for $150 after all the discounts and sales and rebates and all. So, and I really like that gun. We all know that. But Jim's gonna take a couple shots with it. Same thing. We just got the one mag, and I usually just keep that in my pocket while
Holstered.
yeah. So just now remember, it's a smaller weapon and has a very long trigger pull. So put the tip of your finger in there, and you've got to pull all the way back, because everyone seems to have trouble when they shoot that because of the trigger pull. So
All right, ready?
yeah.
That's it.
That's it. Clear. Drop your mag first. Always drop that mag and then look to see if it's clear. Good?
Clear.
That's it. So that was pretty good. That's a smooth operating little pistol. I've never had a jam with it. I've never had a stovepipe. Nothing. It really cycles rounds pretty well. We rolling?
Yep.
So I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I've shot this pistol quite a few times, so instead of just shooting it at the target, there's some remnants of a little orange dot on the bottom right corner of that target. And again, I'm probably 10 to 12 yards away. And let me just see if I can get some accuracy out of this pistol, because it doesn't have adjustable sights. It's just a fixed sight on it. It's pretty minimal. There's nothing there, but let's see if I can get on target with this. What?
That's pretty crazy.
Should I quit now? You gotta be kidding me. You see that?
Yep. Damn.
it. Clear.
That was nice.
I ejected it.
Right in there.
Now we're going to try the carbine. We're at 50 yards now, and we're going to go through all 3 mags, and the target's back there, 50 yards, and then we'll move it back to 100, and that's just regular sights on it. It's just, there's no red dot or anything, and we'll see how that shoots. Alright, we're going to try the carbine now. We got a, what do you got there? You got a 10 round mag in, and you got a 30 round
mag.
Alright, so you'll just do a reload. We're about 50 yards. He's got it on the bipod. Down to there. I don't know if I can get them both in. I'll have to back it up.
You ready?
Yeah, see if you can hit that thing. Out. Reload. Lock and load. Back in business. Drop your mag. Pull back, take a look.
Empty.
Clear. And just for the kids at home, let's just take a walk down there. You can leave the weapon here and see what a 9mm does at 50 yards, because that seemed pretty good. I mean, you had to lay down some suppressive fire when the zombies, the looters, the rioters, people say people are crazy when they have their guns, but in today's society with all this looting and rioting and stuff going on, maybe you do got to defend yourself because the politicians won't do it. And there you go, right there. I mean, somebody's in big trouble. They try to do something.
Yeah, they are.
And you got that carbine, so that's one of the reasons we like that 9mm, because you can change it from your pistol right back into your carbine, and you can defend yourself with the same magazines and the same cartridges.
Alright,
That's good right there. That's probably 110 yards.
yeah.
So we backed up, and we're gonna test this 9mm carbine out. And there's the target down there. That's probably 110 yards because we backed the truck up too far, but let me get on this side. And again, let's show everybody what we're doing here. That's the 9mm carbine with just regular open sights. He's going to shoot the 30 round and then show him the surprise at the end. We're going to do a reload, and when those zombies come running across this farm trying to take over the farm, he's going to let them have it. Oh, here comes the farmer. All right, go for it.
You ready?
Yep. See how long it took it to get there. You hit it though. Another hit. Wow, that's pretty good. pull the bolt back as you're trying to push that in. There you go.
Alright. Hey, they were pretty quick.
Yeah, we're gonna try. Now this is a hot gun. He just blasted a bunch of rounds. I don't know if it was quite 30, but
no, it was about 27.
27 rounds, and now we got the big drum in. Let's see if this gun can keep hitting as fast as he can. And they're hitting.
The drum, the spring didn't let the rounds come up all the way.
That sounded like the last one. Drop that mag.
Yep, that was it.
Pull that bolt back in.
She's empty.
There's smoke coming off that gun. Let's go down and take a look at that, because you must have hit, I would say you hit 90% with that open sights, 9mm, 115 grain full metal jackets, by the way. I don't know if we mentioned that, but that's all we shoot. We don't buy the hollow points and all that other stuff. I mean, they're moving pretty fast. They make a louder crack, but that's part of the fun of shooting guns, I think. Being an ex-tanker, I like hearing that boom. When I shoot a gun, I want to hear it.
I got pretty quick there for a minute.
Yeah. Once you get into the rhythm and you can stay pretty smooth and stay on target.
Oh yeah, if you look at this target,
oh yeah,
they ain't got a chance.
Yeah. See, that's what I was saying. I mean, don't get me wrong. The 2.23s, the 5.56s.
All right, I look like I'm a little all over the place.
Yeah.
But it all hit the plate.
Yeah, the whole plate is.
It's probably the width of a torso.
Yeah, that's a torso right there. Body, so.
I mean, it's pretty much in there anyway.
So that's it. That's all those shots. There's a couple a little on the outskirts, but I would say the majority of them were within 12 inches. That's 12 inches right there. So if we turn around, I mean, there it is. The truck's way up there. So open sights with a 9mm. We shot a 10 round mag, we shot a 30 round mag, and then the 50 round drum. So it all cycles, and full metal jackets, 115 grain, and no issues. I don't think. I think that was pretty good.
I only had one.
One.
That drum, kind of the spring inside, decided it didn't want to push a couple rounds up.
So you had to like shake it or something?
Smack it around a little.
And it went through. Yeah, so that wasn't even a gun then.
No, it was just a magazine.
Right, yeah, cool. Let's get some brass up.
They're all over the place, man. There we go. Here. Hey, so we're out here. We're getting ready to move this target so that we can get a nice shot with the rifle. If we keep it where it was, we're gonna end up shooting from over there back in them wood lines, and we're gonna end up shooting too close to the road over here. So we kind of got to back it up to this wood line right here, so we're not sending any rounds in an unsafe spot.
Alright, we just went on top of the hill and we've got the rifles here, and what we're going to do is shoot all the way down. If you can see, the target is right next to that single tree, that white target, same one we were shooting. We're at, how far is this, Jim? 600 yards. From here to there. We were shooting, here's some size comparison. There's the truck. There's our truck. We were shooting from the truck to those, I don't know what, those hay bales.
Well, pretty much to that tree right there.
Yeah, that tree. And that was 115. So now we're on top of the hill, and we're going to be shooting down to the woods down there. Targets right by those 3 trees in the center of the screen. And what we're doing is shooting Winchester short mags. So that's my rifle right there. You guys seen that in the other videos. That's a Browning A-Bolt 2, and it has the ball system on it. It's got a Vortex PST scope, and I think it's a 5x25 or something like that. Wait, no, it's a 6. I forgot what the heck they are. 6x24. That's what's on there. Jim, what are you shooting?
So I got a Tikka T3 Lite with a Vortex.
That's the same scope, right?
Yeah, same exact scope.
6x24.
So we have one, both. The only difference with mine, which I gotta upgrade it, he's got it. He has a muzzle brake on the front of his. I don't have anything yet, so she kicks like a
mule.
Mother.
Yeah, these 300s, they really kick, and you don't want to shoot too many rounds not playing around if you don't have to, and that's where the muzzle brake comes in handy. That's actually the ball system, but I would like to get one that's kind of flush with the barrel eventually. And we just shoot factory ammo, so we're shooting the Winchester 150 grain ballistic silver tips, factory ammo, factory rifles. We didn't make any changes to these rifles. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this camera on top of the spotting scope, and it's going to film the target, and then behind us we're going to set up the GoPro to film the shot, and hopefully we can edit this and hit that target at 600 yards. All right, so almost out of juice on the GoPro, of course, so we're going to load up and shoot. There's the perspective of the distance, and here is the target right there. You can see it's right next to one of those single trees way down there. All right, let's get ready. Got it on?
Yep. Right in the...
Got it on?
Yep. Right in the... All right, you're good. Bang! Bottom left corner. Bam! So it hit bottom right of the orange.
So I do 2 more clicks.
Ready? Bam, a little bit higher, same left and right.
One more.
You're good. Lower in the white. Am I good?
Yeah. Easy on that trigger, just your fingertip. Boy, that thing is loud. Holy crap. Nice.
Bottom right.
Bottom right corner. So you got to come up probably another 6 clicks.
Yeah, I'm good.
Hold on, let me make sure it's clear. All right. Bam, baby.
Dead center.
Yeah. Holy cow. You knocked the damn thing over. You hit it so perfect.
You knocked it over?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, that's shitty.
Yeah, we're done. That's it, folks. Game over.
That's a good
He
end
killed
to the
the
whole episode.
He killed the target right when we were getting warmed up. There's the target. We're gonna call it a day. We just shot the pistols and the rifles and shotgun, and that's the target he knocked down after that last shot. And there's the hits. I mean, if you look at that bottom left corner, that was, I think, our second shot. And then the bottom right one, it took us like 3 shots to figure out where we were hitting. And then after that, we started walking them in there, and he hit that one right there in the orange. And then if we would have had another shot, I believe we would have been hitting that hook. I think we could have been within this little circle here.
600 yards.
That's 600 yards. And if you take a look, we were way up there. Of course, on camera, you can't judge any distances on camera. Not everything just looks flat, but it's pretty far. It's high up there, and we were arcing those rounds all the way down to here. So 600 yards, factory ammo and factory rifles. It's pretty good. A fun day. But I think the Marine beat me. I think these were you right there, and I don't know. If you didn't knock the target down, maybe I would have caught up to you. But not bad. All right, we'll put this together and get it out on the tube. What do you think?
Yeah, let's get out of here.